Hello. This video will show you how to use your workshop course on Moodle. Even if you're new to this, don't worry. We will help you step by step. First, if you don't have an account, let's make one. To create a new account, on the workshop page, there are two choices. You can either click Create an account to make one, or click Login with Google if you have a Google account linked to your email. Let us start with signing in. To access your workshop course, visit the Moodle course page. Here, you have two options for signing in. Option 1, click the Google button link. If you have a Google account linked to your email, this is a convenient way to sign in. Option 2, you can also log in with your user ID and password. Simply enter your credentials that you have created earlier in this website, and you will gain access to the course. If you forget your password, no worries. Just click Forgot Password, put in your email, and follow the steps to get a new password. Now that you're logged in, let's explore the course contents. Inside your workshop course, you'll find various activities and links. These links are designed to be viewed in a sequence. Here is how it works. Start with the first link or activity. Once you have viewed it or completed the necessary tasks, you'll unlock the second link. Similarly, after you have completed the second link, the third link will become visible. That's it. You have learned how to create an account, sign in, and explore your course step by step. We hope this video helps you with your Moodle workshop course. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies.